You know, I discovered one thing that if my videos cross 1 minute, even I myself lose interest. I don't feel like watching it, you know. So that's why I've realized, when I was expecting, I was reading, I read this entire omnibus of Don't Sweat the Small Stuff. You know, Richard Carlson and Christine Carlson. Richard Carlson, the author, um, I think by his 40th birthday he had passed away from a heart attack. But when you read that book, Don't Sweat the Small Stuff, I read it when I was expecting, so that's close to like 9 years ago. And I still randomly sometimes the message in that book comes back to me. So that is the power of a good book and good writing. No, I'm feeling so emotional because I'm thinking someday if someone reads my books also, they'll some of the gyan that you find in my books will come, or some of the gyan in my videos might come back to you. But really, so this book is Don't Sweat the Small Stuff in Love. Basically, any book, this Don't Sweat the Small Stuff series is worth reading. And it's already crossed a 1 minute video, and so tata. So I have to rush now. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.